man. We just got that tightened up here. Had to re-tighten that up. Or should I say tighten it up? I forgot. I guess I forgot to tighten this one fitting. But I did that. We had checked it previously on the other live with the windshield wiper fluid that I got over there. And seeing if it bubbles up. If it bubbles up, then it's leaking air. Or you hear air, of course it's bubbling up. But let's see. Oh, look at that. Stand back. All right. So right here, we have I have an air leak. So let's see what happens. It's kind of going away a little bit. But there's nothing leaking here. So let's just test it. Let's test it. Get our stuff. No bubbles there. We're good. Now we just got a little baby leak there. But all I have to do is, I can't cut this line, but sometimes you just gotta let it sit a second, because all that dirt and everything will get off in there and seal it up. But so far, we have a slight leak right here. But we'll see when this dries up and all that. But other than that, it is done, folks. The airbags are up. As you can see, it's the bottom of the airbag. It is up. Let me get in close for you. It's not resting on the base. It's not resting on this base right here, which is good. So yeah. And with this bar like straight across, that's how it's supposed to be, level. Which, let's stand over here. Y'all can see, it's level. The truck is level. This probably ain't level ground, but it's level though. That the sleeper and all that is standing up like it should. And look, the mud flaps is off the ground. The mud flaps is off the ground. Nice. So it's time to go and check it out. I got a check engine light. I got the grass burner exhaust. But you got airbags right here. They're inflated on the sleeper. One over there. But yeah, that's it, man. Once again, let me show y'all the old one right quick. That's the old one that came off. And you just heard that air release. That lets you know that the truck is totally aired up and it's just releasing excess air. Other than that, we are A to the okay, y'all. So I'm about to put all my tools up and everything, and still bubbling. We'll see though, we'll see. We'll work that one out. But anyway, I'll put all my tools up. Make sure y'all have y'all some tools with y'all if y'all truck drive, man. Look, have you some extra stuff, some oil, some radiator fluid, and definitely some windshield wiper fluid. Other than that, man, look, I'm about to put all this up, man. Oh man, your boy Laid Back Trucker 7, man. We out, man. We about to be up out of here, man. Hey, look for me later on today. I'm gonna get a stream in with y'all with the new truck from Pecos Mods. Go over there. It's a W900. You can get it for free. And mine is stretched out and lowered. So yeah, we're gonna haul an extra long load on purpose just to see how it do, you know what I'm saying? See how we got to maneuver into place and all that with that super long truck and super long load. So stay tuned for that. That's gonna come later on. But anyway, your boy Laid Back Trucker 7, thank you for stopping by. Peace. You know what I'm saying?